Hello, my name is Shel Savage. In this presentation, I will be presenting on the research done for John Cabot University Critelli Building, located at Piazza Giuseppe Gioacchino Belli, number 11 in Rome, which is a rather recent construction compared to most buildings in Rome. This is just the beginning of the research for the Critelli Building that will be carried on by the next cohort. However, the groundwork has been laid for our team, including Anna Springer, Judith Burrows, Bernat Ratz, and Jennifer Lawless. The research done will uncover and answer some of the underlying questions and the changes that occurred to the land before the Critelli Building was built. The overarching question is, what is the purpose of the buildings which previously occupied the site where the Critelli Building now stands and its surrounding area? Bernat and Anna will be expanding on the history as well. This photo of the boys on the skateboard is on Viale Trastevere, was taken in the 1950s, which is right in front of the Critelli Building, which is right here, which I thought was cute, so I included it. Our beloved JCU Critelli campus today. What has been uncovered to this point are the changes to the river and the building of the retaining wall that altered the streets, which Anna Springer will be going into more depth in her research. Also, the discovery of a street that once ran through JCU's campus. This is a map found in the Catasto Urbano, dated from around 1818 to 1871, and shows the buildings that existed before the Critelli Building was built, and reveals a street that ran through the property that no longer exists, named Vicolo Saccati. The map also shows the property numbers that will enable the next cohort to be able to find the renters in the Catasto Urbano to get a better understanding of the history. This is a comparison from the Catasto Urbano and a map from the municipality of Rome by the Italian Cartographic Institute, and was revised and corrected. This is the 1896 edition. With the map side by side, the Catasto Urbano map and the 1911 map shows the Vico Saccati, which street is in both maps. You can see right here, and then it's right here. This is a comparison of the 1896 map and the 1911 map, made by the lithographic type establishment of the genius that was made for planning the tram and the railways for Rome. In this comparison, you can see the changes in the Critelli Building, which was built in 1907. With Vicolo Saccati gone, it changes the layout of the area. The map from the Catasto Urbano has numbers of the properties used for the rent and tax purposes, which will be useful information to uncover the history of the area. This map from the 1911 was called the Brand New Map of Rome, of the Civil Engineering of 1911, which shows the changes of the land after the building of the Ponte Garibaldi and the Critelli Building, which was built in 1907, and the span from 1896 to 1911 shows the area where the Critelli Building now is and the changes that happened in this duration of time. And this is one more comparison with the 1911 map compared to Google Maps today, and the shapes correlate with the information that was provided. The next steps are to visit the Archivio Storico Capitolino to obtain more information about the architecture, also to continue the search on the Catasto Urbano to find out more information of the residents. This is a link to the map that I found. And then to do more research on Roma to Pass, which has helpful information of maps and old photographs. Thank you. And this is my bibliography.